Was it supposed to go out?
Yeah, it was supposed to go out. That door was supposed to swing out. My gosh, all right, tune in next time. And we're gonna do the flooring and we're gonna do the, The reason why I like these tools is I've never returned one of these tools. I'm not a sponsor, but I really like them. I do buy Harbor Freight tools, and the reason why I buy Harbor Freight tools is those are the tools that I loan out to my friends. So if someone says to me, hey, can I borrow your Sawzall? I said, yeah, I got one that is perfect for you. I go and get my Harbor Freight Sawzall that's not this expensive, and I get that one. So that way it keeps all my tools intact. So tip of the day is get a set of tools that are close by your door that you donate to your friends.
The night has come, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. I'm outside today. And the reason why we're outside is I have not finished that outdoor bar, and there's so many cool things that I want to do with it. And I don't know if you remember that project, but I want to integrate my smoker top inside of that and treat that. So I'm going to be doing a series outside because I remember last winter when it got cold, especially February, rainy and cold, I regretted not being outside a lot. So we're gonna finish this outdoor bar. I'm gonna be putting the new flooring down here, even though that I did this rock. I don't like the fact that it is completely wet. I want a nice clean surface. I also want the ability to have a TV right here, because I've been to the Caribbean a couple times and I can't go right now because of COVID, so I want to be able to see some of the imagery that I shot. I set up my tripod on the ocean and I just took some shots of that. I want to be able to put that there. But I also want to design something that I flip the screen over to here, to this area that's there, and generally clean up everything that's involved. I've had the tin roof now for about 2 years, and it's really worked out well. It hasn't rusted the way that I wanted, but it's really worked out well. So this here, I don't know where the ladder goes. My daughter keeps on asking me, where does the ladder go? The ladder's gonna go away today, and then I'm going to take this out and make that a door. I also have some work I need to do to my grill. I have parts that I've neglected here, like even the electric switcher doesn't work. I'm going to clean up all of this, and I'm going to be putting in a door right there. With that firewood, I don't think that firewood is any good anymore. The grill is all cleaned up. I'm going to use these stones right here, I think, for the pathway to go to that right there. And I think I'll stop them here. The only thing is I got to make sure that the deck is right on the ground, because I don't want any bugs or snakes or critters, because my dog will dig for them forever. I got a buddy over here, you know, Brian. He helps me with shooting my videos. It's a good friend of mine.
It's in the bar.
Oh yeah, because we're gonna put sand. Remember, we're gonna lay. No, it's look. We got to put something underneath it.
What do you mean?
Well, that it's underneath this, so I got to put a little piece underneath.
Oh shoot.
That's okay. I need a little piece. Here,
Here
here you go. Here you go. Go, take it out.
I think that's gonna be more difficult than you think.
Yeah, when this is done, you can lift it up.
I was just saying, just let me lift it up.
I bought the bamboo from Habitat for Humanity, and I have not used all that bamboo.
Don't stand shame. I feel the night behind me. I can't be fooled, but I put up a fight, 'cause I'm an optimist. Just keep me coming back.
Put the door's actually already in place, but it doesn't hinge. So what we're doing is we went ahead and jerry-rigged this place and leveled it, but what we're doing is we're putting these screws in this bamboo here, and then when we're done, we're gonna cut out the door. So right now, I'm just using these galvanized Deck Plus screws right here that have a small torque on it, and I'm able to pressure-treated deck, because it just doesn't feel very classy and bohemian if you're sitting here in a swamp of water. Since that's at ground level, like that's a no-no. Like I said before, I don't want any varmints underneath there, so we'll be able to dig the dirt
No
out.
varmints allowed.
No varmints, man. The only varmints I want is people that can bring over food for me to grill. And I'm really tempted to put a screw right here, but I know I have to pre-drill that or it's gonna break, and I don't like split wood. It just is like a sign of poor craftsmanship. So you can tell here that this is some cedar that I got from the lake. It was part of my video on how to mill your own wood in your garage. I'll link that up there on the top, but I'm using that for braces. But it's awesome with cedar that you don't have to have it rot, but it actually looks kind of good. So this kind of makes me feel a little bit better about the idea of. The reason why I like these tools is I've never returned one of these tools. I'm not a sponsor, but I really like them. I do buy Harbor Freight tools, and the reason why I buy Harbor Freight tools is those are the tools that I loan out to my friends. So if someone says to me, hey, can I borrow your Sawzall? I said, yeah, I got one that is perfect for you. I go and get my Harbor Freight Sawzall that's not this expensive, and I get that one. So that way it keeps all my tools intact. So tip of the day is get a set of tools that are close by your door that you donate to your friends. Okay, this has got to be one of the most exciting parts. We're gonna open up the door that we made a path. We took out these rocks, and I'm probably being redundant, but get over it. There's nothing else to watch, you know, COVID days. 2019, we thought that was an okay year. 2020 is, oh. Okay, so we got to go around. So I got part of the path done, and that leads to a door, and then we're going to open up that door right now. So
Eye protection.
yeah, eye protection. I got my earplugs in. So let's do this.
Bring in the instrumental Rasta.
So what we're doing is we're going to come up to here. I want to keep this one, and I want to lose.
Hold on. It's these boards up here that. Was it supposed to go? Was it supposed to go out?
Yeah, it was supposed to go out. That door was supposed to swing out. My gosh! All right, tune in next time. We're gonna do the flooring, and we're gonna do the we're gonna